Top 10 most mysterious places on Earth that scientists still can't explain. Our planet is filled with wonders, but some locations go far beyond breathtaking views or ancient history. These places defy logic. They challenge science. They raise questions no one alive can answer. Imagine walking into a forest where compasses spin wildly, a desert where stones move by themselves, or an island covered in perfectly carved stone statues made without modern tools. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 most mysterious places on Earth that scientists still can't fully explain. These locations are equal parts fascinating and eerie, and the mysteries they hold have baffled experts for decades. And trust me, number 1 will stay in your mind long after the video ends. 10. The Devil's Kettle, Minnesota, USA. Let's start with a mystery hidden inside a waterfall. At Judge C.R. Magny State Park, the Brule River splits into two. One half flows downstream like normal. The other half plunges into a giant hole known as the Devil's Kettle and completely disappears. Scientists have dropped dye, ping pong balls, GPS trackers, and even logs into the hole. None has ever reappeared. For years, geologists believed the water might be resurfacing underground, but no outlet has ever been found. It's a natural magic trick the Earth refuses to reveal. Number 9. The Crooked Forest in Poland. In Poland's West Pomeranian region stands a grove of about 400 pine trees, all bent at a perfect 90-degree angle before curving upward again. They look engineered, sculpted, or pulled by some unknown force. Theories range from strange gravitational anomalies to human manipulation, but none have been proven. What makes the mystery stranger is that every tree bends in exactly the same direction and shape. Nature rarely behaves this uniformly. The crooked forest looks less like a forest and more like an encrypted message carved into the earth. Number 8. The Sailing Stones, Death Valley, USA. Imagine walking across a desert and seeing massive rocks leaving long trails behind them, as if they moved by themselves. That's exactly what happens in Death Valley's racetrack playa. These stones, weighing up to 700 pounds, slide across the flat desert floor without human or animal involvement. Scientists once believed aliens or magnetic forces were responsible. More recent theories suggest a combination of thin ice sheets and wind, but the phenomenon is still debated. Even with time-lapse studies, the exact conditions required for these stones to sail remain a puzzle. Number 7. Lake Natron, Tanzania. This blood-red lake looks like something from a horror movie, but the real mystery lies in what it does to animals. Lake Natron's extreme alkalinity, combined with mineral-rich waters, literally calcifies creatures that fall in. Birds and insects that touch the water become perfectly preserved, as if turned into statues. Yet, despite this harsh environment, flamingos flock here by the thousands to breed. A paradox that confuses biologists. How does life thrive in a place that petrifies it? That's a mystery still unfolding. Number 6. The Nazca Lines in Peru. You've probably seen pictures of these giant geoglyphs carved into the Peruvian desert, massive shapes of animals, plants, and geometric patterns. But what makes them mysterious is their scale. Some figures stretch hundreds of feet long and can only be seen clearly from the sky. How were ancient people able to draw such perfect, large-scale designs without aerial assistance? And more importantly, why? Were they ritual symbols, astronomical markers, or messages to gods? Despite decades of research, archaeologists still don't agree. Number 5. The Bermuda Triangle in Atlantic Ocean. No list of unexplained places would be complete without the Bermuda Triangle, a region infamous for ships and aircraft vanishing without a trace. More than 50 ships and 20 airplanes have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Theories include methane gas eruptions, rogue waves, magnetic anomalies, and even underwater vortexes. But the truth is that many incidents remain unsolved, leaving scientists divided. Whether it's a coincidence or something deeper, the Bermuda Triangle continues to be one of Earth's most chilling enigmas. Number 4. Göbekli Tepe in Turkey. This archaeological site shattered everything scientists thought they knew about human civilization. Göbekli Tepe is over 11,000 years old, making it older than Stonehenge and the Egyptian pyramids. The site includes massive carved pillars arranged in circles, built at a time when humans were believed to be simple hunter-gatherers. This raises the question, how did prehistoric societies construct such advanced structures without agriculture, tools, or permanent settlements? Göbekli Tepe suggests an unknown chapter of humanity's past, one we still don't fully understand. Number 3. The Door to Hell in Turkmenistan. In the Karakum Desert lies a giant burning crater that has been on fire for more than 50 years. Called the Door to Hell, it emits flames, boiling mud, and toxic gases day and night. The mystery isn't the fire, it's the longevity. This crater started when a Soviet drilling rig collapsed into a gas pocket in the 1970s, causing engineers to set it ablaze. They expected the fire to burn out in a few days. Half a century later, it's still burning, fueled by an unknown reservoir of natural gas. No one knows how deep it goes, or when, or if it will ever stop. Number 2. Easter Island's Moai statues in Chile. These towering stone heads, carved between 1250 and 1500 CE, remain one of archaeology's greatest puzzles. Each statue weighs up to 90 tons. Some stand more than 30 feet tall. How did an isolated island culture carve, transport, and erect such enormous figures without wheels, metal tools, or modern machinery? Scientists have theories, but nothing definitive. Some believe the Moai represent ancestors. Others see them as territorial markers. But the biggest mystery remains. How did a small community achieve something so monumental, so isolated from the world? Number 1. The Zone of Silence in Mexico. Topping our list is a desert area so strange it feels like Earth is glitching. Located in northern Mexico, the Zone of Silence is known for bizarre magnetic anomalies. Radios fail, compasses spin wildly, electronics malfunction, and even satellites have trouble passing overhead. Locals have reported strange lights, unusual animal behavior, and meteors falling more frequently here than anywhere else on Earth. Scientists have studied the region for decades, but no conclusive explanation exists. Some think it's due to mineral-rich soil. Others believe it's a natural electromagnetic hotspot. But here's the strangest part. Even migrating animals avoid it, as if nature itself senses something humans can't. The Zone of Silence remains one of the most mysterious places on the planet, a riddle Earth refuses to solve. Which of these mysterious places fascinated you the most? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's unexplained wonders, hit that like button, subscribe for more unbelievable top 10s, and share this video with someone who loves mysteries. Until next time, stay curious and stay ambitious.